everyone, it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. In this week's video, we are going to discuss some of the unique challenges women continue to face when it comes to preparing for their financial futures. Here's the quote of the week. For your own success to be real, it must contribute to the success of others. Despite all the other advances made in our society in recent generations, women continue to face unique challenges when it comes to preparing for their financial futures. For starters, women on average still earn less than men, according to the Department of Labor's Bureau of Labor Statistics. And because women tend to serve as primary caregivers for young children and aging parents, women typically spend fewer years in the workforce. As a result, the average woman could earn less than the average man during a lifetime. That combination of lower earning power and fewer years in the workforce translates into less retirement savings for women. In addition, the average annual pension benefit for a retired woman is less than that of the average retired man. Adding to the inequity, Social Security benefits, based in part on workplace longevity, are also adversely affected. The result is that retired women also tend to receive smaller monthly Social Security checks than men. It's essential that all women and their loved ones embrace a more active approach to investments to make up for the financial shortfalls that they could face at retirement. It's especially important to take advantage of tax-deferred individual retirement accounts and employer-sponsored savings plans when available. You might also consider asking your financial advisor about products that are designed to provide lifetime income. Remember, even a small increase in the amount of your investments may add up to a significant savings over time. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals.